Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Zero Electric SR Sport Bike, 13.0 kilowatts. This has ABS, sport bike, brand new tires, only 4,811 miles. Come on by, make your electric motorcycle dreams come true for just $79.90. That's about half the price of this bike originally. She runs beautifully. Automatic transmission. Just turn the key on and turn the throttle and go. Belt drive, very low maintenance. Come on by, make your Zero Electric dreams come true for just $79.90. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Very quick. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.